Hi everybody, so I'm coming to you like looking a little crazy. It's just too hot to wear makeup, too hot to think, so please pardon my appearance because it's just too hot for me to be looking any put together or anything like that. So today I'm bringing you one of my latest Bath and Body Works hauls, SAS hauls. I still have stuff coming up to my house, being delivered to my house or shipped to my house, but today is July 4th, so I'm trying to have at least this video up before tomorrow, which is the last day of the sale, and maybe you can pick something up, something that I recommend here. I don't know if anybody is interested in picking more stuff up. Like, I think we all been going crazy with this sale, but I just wanted to show you what I've gotten so far, and I guess I'll record the other part of my haul once everything arrives, if it makes any sense. But before I do all of that, please subscribe. If you like my videos, please like them. I'm not charging you for that, and that's all I wanted to say. I hope that you enjoy it, and I'll start right now because we're gonna be here for a little bit. Alright, so this bag here is a mix of stuff that I purchased online and also picked up in stores, but I still have 3 boxes that are in front of me and that we're going to go over them today. But let me start with this here, and in no particular order. Once again, this is mixed stuff like I got online, but I opened the box because it's like too many boxes and I just put them all in one bag. Anyways, so the first thing here is a Wild Madagascar Vanilla body cream. A Honolulu Sun body cream. Oh, I didn't read the descriptions. So for the vanilla, Madagascar Vanilla, it says the keynotes are our exclusive Madagascar Vanilla Accord, African Pear, Wild Jasmine, and White Sandalwood. Smells delicious, I know that. And then for the Honolulu Sun, it says the keynotes Fresh Island Coconut, Pacific Palm, Ocean Air Accord, Sun Drenched Citrus, and White Sand Musk. Smells delightful. Next thing I picked up was a lavender and sandalwood body gel. Smells nice. I picked up another magnolia and clementine body cream. The keynotes on this one is sweet magnolia, fresh clementine, blooming gardenia, spring sandalwood, and golden honey. I don't really do florals, but this one somehow I really like it. Next up is Bali Blue Surf. So pretty. And the keynotes on this one is mandarin blossom, sun-kissed sands, saltwater waves, wild jasmine, and blonde driftwood. The next thing I picked up, and this I picked up online because it was not in store, is the White Island body lotion. This here, at least a body spray, I am in love, and you're about to see how much in love I am with the body spray. I picked up a Wild Madagascar Vanilla. I had to pick this up on the online store because it was sold out at this actual store, so I picked one up. I picked Honolulu Sun. And this is where we go crazy with the White Island sand. I picked, oh, let me see. I don't know if I can do this. Hold on, hold on. Alright, so as you can see, that's 4 of the Island White Sand body spray. I already have one and it's pretty much up to about here. And I only got it like maybe 2 weeks ago, so I just wanted to make sure that I have backups. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing with these, but I'm actually in love with this scent, so that's why I picked a few more. All right, and with that trip that I to the store, I picked up 2 candles. So let's see which one are those. So first one is the Sweet Cherry Pie. When I sniffed this at the store, I was not really sold on it, but then I kept thinking and reading reviews and everybody was like raving about it, and I wanted to like really try these. I picked more up online and they're in the boxes in front of me, and I picked a lot of them up, but it's just like a cherry pie. It doesn't smell artificial, at least to me, so that's why I wanted to give it a try and like buy more of them. Anyways, the scent notes are bright red cherries, flaky pie crust, and crushed almonds right there. So that's number 1. The next candle I picked up is I had to pick one of these up, another one. This is the peach raspberry peach macaron. I love this one. It's from the Sweet Shop collection, and I have one burning right now, and this is my backup because I really like it. Now I'm thinking about it, I should pick more up, but I'll be fine, I guess. Alright, so the notes are: the ultimate French cookie is celebrated in a unique blend of ripe raspberries, juicy peach, and almond cream. That's the description and the beautiful label. Alright, so now we are going to start with the boxes. This is box number 1. Let's see what I picked up on this online trip, order, whatever. My receipt, some paper. There is a coupon code here that I am not going to be using, so screenshot it right there, right there. Because I don't need any more Bath and Body Works for the next decade or so. So you can go ahead and use the coupon if you want, or the coupon, whatever you say. Anyways, I picked a Tahitian Island Dream body gel online. The notes are fresh coconut water, sparkling mandarin, kiwi blossom, lush frangipani, and Tahitian vanilla musk. Those are the notes here. Some stuff I cannot pronounce, but I tried. I picked a fresh sea salt mango body mist, a lemon pomegranate cream, a peach and honey almond cream, oh, I'm so excited about this one. A watermelon lemonade. I love this scent. I also picked a Tahiti Island Dream body cream, and a watermelon lemonade set of wallflowers. So that's my first box. Now 2 more to go. Box number 2 is here. Let's open it up and see what I got on this one. Alright, so on this one, first thing is the receipt. I don't need to see that. Next, paper. I don't need that. And 4 candles. Let's see. Hopefully none of them are broke, because ain't nobody got time for that. Alright, so the first one that I'm trying to get out here is, oh, sweet cherry pie. It didn't arrive broke. That's number 1. Another sweet cherry pie. Another sweet cherry pie. I went crazy with the sweet cherry pie, like I told you. The last one in that box is a strawberry mimosa. I love this candle. It's like the lighter cousin to champagne toast. I don't really like champagne toast that much, but this one is perfect. Empty box. So that was 3 cherry pies and 1 strawberry mimosa. So let's keep going. I have 1 more box, and box number 3 is right here. Big box. More candles, I'm assuming. So let's see what's in here. First thing out is the receipt. More paper. So I see 4 candles here, and I have 2 body gels. The body gels are Wild Rose and Apple and Pink Magnolia. And then 4 candles right here. Okay, let's see what I got here. First candle is Summertime Soda Pop. Next candle is a root beer float. Another strawberry mimosa. And the last candle here is sweet cherry pie. So that's like 5 sweet cherry pies. So I am set for life on this candle. So I better like it when burning, because on cold I really enjoy it. So 5 sweet cherry pies. Alright guys, so that's everything I got on that trip and online purchase. I have more stuff coming up. I don't know when they will arrive, but I know they won't arrive before the sale is over. And I just wanted to show you what else I purchased. If you're interested in seeing the other video, please let me know. I might just upload it anyways, because I'm just like that. And yeah, that's everything that I purchased on this trip and online order. So I hope that you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please subscribe and thumbs up the video. So I will see you in the next one. Okay, take care. Bye.